Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. In this channel I will upload quick content regarding upcoming events, videos on my main channel and stuff like that. In this video I want to give a glimpse of my new modes on my Abarth. If you follow me on my Facebook, you might have read that I installed a new turbocharger. I'm impressed by the increase of the power, but I will talk about that in a future review. Today I want to focus on the sound. The whistle of this turbocharger is mental. From the outside it reminds me the Koenigsegg Huayra, and from the inside the Pagani Huayra. Enough said, let the engine talk.